If your apps are not installing during Galaxy Watch 8 setup, do this fix. First is to connect your phone to Wi-Fi. App installs are most unreliable on mobile data. Now, open the Google Play Store and update the Google Play services. This is usually the main cause why the apps are not installing. Next is to toggle the Bluetooth off and then on, and then wait about 30 seconds or a minute. If you're using a VPN, you can turn it off. And if it's still stuck, go to phone settings and head to apps and then go to Google Play Store and then storage. And here you will find the clear cache button. Click the clear cache to temporarily fix the issue. Now return to the Galaxy Wearable application and let all the downloads continue. Now keep your phone unlocked and close to the watch. And that's how you can fix the Galaxy Watch 8 apps that are not installing during setup. And thank you for listening.